Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to search for a received code in Gmail on your PC, thanks to a new update. This is a handy way to find those important codes quickly, so let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar at the top of your inbox. Here, you'll notice a small filter icon. This is your best friend for a precise search. Click on that filter icon, and now you'll see various options to narrow down your search. Next to the From field, type in the name of the application that sent you the code. This could be anything from Google, Facebook, or even your bank. Moving on, find the Has the Words field. Here, you want to enter specific keywords that are usually included in the code email. For example, typing verify is a great start since many verification emails include this word. Once you've filled in those fields, all that's left to do is tap on the search button. In just a moment, Gmail will filter your emails, and you should see the message containing your code pop up. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to find your received codes in Gmail using your PC. Happy searching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.